day looked like very different as compared to what we had early on in the morning. And actually, we started in the green. I mean, 15 points, 20 points, but there was immediate selling after that. But it only picked up in the last 2 hours of trade. So that's the Nifty 50. Mid caps and small caps came under pressure. And broadly, I mean, in the broader market, it was a very heavy volume-led day on the downside. Real estate and metals were the big losers. The IT also, I mean, fines mentioned there, with not quite a 2% cut, but close to that. Divi's Laboratories, IndusInd Bank, Nestle, JSW Steel, iSure and UPL are some of the top Nifty losers that we had today. Market breadth, needless to say, deep in the negative. Rima.
Well, the mid-caps underperformed for the second day in a row. The mid-cap index goes home with a cut of nearly 2%. The advanced decline ratio worsening significantly by the end of trade, 2 in the green for nearly 7 in the red. India Cements was the big loser, down close to about 12% Muscat Docks, a stock which has doubled so far this year, comes in for profit booking and steep profit booking, ending lower with a cut of close to about 8%. Weakness seen in names like Zomato, IDBI Bank. A big mover from yesterday was down close to about 4.5%. A couple of commodity names like NMDC, Vedanta, SAIL under pressure, and Kalyan Jewellers as well, which reported a pretty good business update a couple of days back, was under pressure. On the gaining side, Panacea Biotech stands out as an island of green. Investors perhaps sought safety over there after it won that large $130 million deal. So still ending with cuts of close to about 18.5. So unscathed by the market turmoil, Panacea Bio, Sonia.
Oh, absolutely. Panacea Biotech was really the stock that stood out, right? But for the markets overall, as you folks pointed out, I mean, very disappointing day and largely secular on the downside, right? So whether it was Divi's Labs, JSW Steel, IndusInd Bank, iSure Motors, across the board, you slice any pocket and there was pressure. So it just goes to show that the profit taking was the name of the game today. And even the bank Nifty was, ended with cuts, very deep cuts of 440 points. I don't think anyone saw this coming. The only outliers today were Axis Bank, Adani Enterprises and Asian Paints. Only 3 stocks ended in the green. Apart from which, all of the Nifty constituents ended well in the red. Even the cash market volumes were quite high on the downside. So we ended with almost 55,000 crores of cash market volumes and huge F&O volumes as well. Not a good sign when the market is falling on large volumes, an indication that perhaps there is more to go on the downside. As Mitesh Thakkar was telling us before he left, the 200-day moving average, just a matter of time that it would have been given up. And now that that psychological level has been breached, perhaps there are lower levels to come. But let's thank all our guests for joining us on Closing Bell. You folks have a great evening. Thanks for watching.